One of the things we're proudest of here at BD Canaan is our ability to advance the world of health while providing great jobs for our talented associates. The BD facility in Canaan is really a cornerstone for the region that we're in economically. We employ over 400 people at this plant, and we're in a very rural area. We are one of the preferred employers, one of the top employers. And I think, in the local community with relationships and families, everyone knows someone that's working for BD around here. I think, just a pride in the American manufacturing that we do here. Although everyone knows, costs can be higher in the United States, the ways that we offset those in this facility are incredible. We have full automation here. We have machines running anywhere from 25 to 50,000 parts an hour, and that's how we remain competitive in the world economy. One of the things that I always keep in mind is understanding the work that we're doing is really supporting and helping all of our associates in this facility. We have over 400 people that depend on what we're doing for their livelihoods, and that's the most important thing to me to keep in mind as we're navigating challenges and making decisions.